What's up, guys? So, I just went to Jimmy John's. I haven't eaten nothing all day, guys. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got the Unwich. I think I got the Beach Club. It's turkey, provolone cheese, avocado, and cucumbers. But it comes in like a lettuce wrap. Yeah. Hold it out. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, oh, and it has tomato in it too, and mayo, but it's just without the bun. So how is my family doing today? How you guys doing? I just came from couponing. I love it. Saved a lot of money. You can't beat couponing. It's the best. Especially Dollar General. They had so many sales there. I wasn't the only one couponing either. There was a lot of other people in there too. I like Jimmy John's because Jimmy John's, you don't have to ask them for napkins. They always give you napkins. Like Popeye and places like that, they don't never give you napkins. Coca-Cola. Almost went overboard. Excuse me. So, it's been a debate going on about if Spanish people can use the N-word. Let me tell y'all something. I will say no. I used to work with a lot of Spanish people when I was living in New Jersey. They don't even claim to be black. A lot of them, the percentage of Spanish people, they don't claim to be black at all. It's a low percentage of them that claim to be black. Every time I say they be like, no, I'm not black, they get an attitude. I'm like, chill. Good God. I'm Puerto Rican. But I was wondering when somebody was going to touch on the issue. And some people are saying, oh, they can say it because they're black now. Really? Nobody should be saying stuff. That makes us look fucking stupid. Using a word like that was created for hate. But now you saying, oh, some people can say it and some people can't. Man, get the hell out of here with that. Look at that. It was actually smart for them to make this sandwich, because they don't have to use as much bread now. They can save on their bread. What? I'm trying to burp. Damn, where my burp at? That one sucked. Ugh. Whew. Yes, I got another one. And another one. I ain't gonna eat all this stuff. But what's been going on in the media? Like, I ain't really heard of nothing else really going on. We pretty much talking about the same stuff, because nothing new has been going on. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me show y'all this. Y'all gotta see this. Look. Don't it look like a little baby? Oh, look at the baby. It's the baby. Oh. It's like, let me stop. Y'all probably like, what the hell is wrong with her? I'm trying to make y'all laugh. So good. Hold on, huh? Look at that. Good. Mm. Trying to do a thumbnail. At first I was gonna go to I was gonna go to where was I was gonna go? I'm probably gonna eat over there. It's good. Oh, Burger King. Yeah, at first I was gonna go to Burger King, but the line was too long. I won't wait. I didn't feel like waiting in that line. Plus, I needed my veggies. This is pretty much like eating a salad. But a lot of people were talking about excuse me. That lady hungry fat chick. And they was going off on her. Because they talking about, she said that she was on a diet and then she turned around and she eat all this unhealthy food. But she stated that she never said that her channel was a health channel or anything like that. That's what she was saying. But I like hungry fat chick. But it's no need to tearing her down. If that's what she wants to do, let her do it. Let her do it. Let her be happy and let her be in peace. Cause I told her I was gonna send her some of my health products. And then somebody was like, don't send it to her, send it to me. I'm not going to send it to you because the thing is, you don't have no platform like her. I was definitely going to send it to her. And I still am. When I get her information, I got to go on her page. And I'm going to send it to her and get her to do a video. Because she has a platform. You know, I'm not going to send my product out to somebody that ain't got no platform and just trying to get, free stuff. I ain't doing that. Look at that. So, did anybody find out what they want for Christmas? I think I want, well, not think, but I know I want an Apple laptop. Because I plan on selling one of my other, my older computer. I'm going to be selling that soon. Man. Jimmy John. Y'all doing y'all thing over there. Y'all have a loyal customer here. Anytime y'all want to hit me up to do some videos to sponsor you guys, hit me up. I would definitely do some good reviews. But y'all got some good fresh food. But if there's any new subscribers here, I want to welcome you to the family. Everybody here, we love everybody. We're a big happy family on this channel. Oh man, I'm so full. I gotta read. My class has already started, so I have a quiz coming up. I have to read 21 chapters in this book. Oh, but let me tell y'all. Well, I already told y'all before, but that Wing King, I don't see how you guys can eat that. Like, I see people eating that Wing King, and they be enjoying it. Maybe I need to go somewhere else. And I mean, why I keep saying Wing King? I'm not talking about Wing King. I'm talking about Wingstop. Like we got so many. We got so many chicken places down here. It's ridiculous. That's why I get them mixed up. But yes, we do have a place down here called Wing King, and I think I'm gonna go over there and get some wings because they got some good wings, and their ranch sauce is to die for. But Wingstop, and this is whoever the owner is that own that joint. Y'all don't need to get it together. I mean, I don't even want to try. My experience was so bad there. I don't want to try any more wing stops. Like I don't want to do it because it was just after I ate it, my stomach was hurting. I started getting a headache because it was just so much salt. You know, if I was going to order it again, which I know I'm not, I would tell them don't put no seasoning on nothing. And I could do that at home. I could make my own plain chicken wings and french fries at home. But when I tell you, it was horrible, yo. Guys, it was terrible. And when I see people doing, these wing stop eating channels, and some of the videos, they be long. They be having all this food. How is y'all eating that? Y'all better stop eating that. There ain't no way, and there's no way I can ever eat at Wingstop again. And this is to the owner. You gotta get it together. You need to go on Undercover Balls and see how people is fixing that food for your customers. Because you just lost 2 good customers. And we pay good money for food. If it's good, we'll pay money. Me and my husband, we don't have no problem with paying money for food if it's good food. But come on, man, you gotta get it together. For real, you gotta get it together. I can just imagine they got dessert. Ugh. I can just imagine what that brownie tastes like. They probably put, so much on there. No, but I had seen this video. I don't know if y'all seen that video. It's on Facebook. And the lady, she was actually in a restaurant, and it must have been a soul food restaurant because she was making candied yams. If you know what, I'm gonna have to find a link, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom of this description in this video. If y'all seen how much sugar she put on them candy yams, I don't care. The amount of sugar that she put on them candy yams, it wasn't even that many candy yams in there to start. I could have seen that she had a pile of candy yams. Yeah, you can put that much sugar, but if y'all gotta see the video. Once I upload this video and edit it and everything, I'm gonna go back and find it on Facebook, and I'm gonna put the link to it. And you guys tell me if y'all thought that was a good amount of sugar to put on them yams. And then on the last one, she tripped me out because on the last one, she did like half the bag because she had one of them big. She had one of them big gigantic bags of sugar. She was like, I'm gonna need some more sugar for this last one. I was like, what? But y'all is trying to kill people. Like, sometimes I eat candy yams, but I ain't never seen. I know them candy yams right there. I know they was sugary. That wasn't nothing but syrup and sugar. And somebody in the comments was like, "Oh, she doing it the right way." To you, maybe, but I said, Lord, Lord, Lord. So, guys, I want to thank you so much. I just wanted to talk to you guys for a minute because I know you like, all you do is eat and then you just leave. You don't talk. But I had to talk to y'all for a minute. And y'all know that I already picked 3 random winners. They're already picked out already. So when I do the video, when I hit the 1,000 subscribers, you're going to have to tune into the video to see if you were one of the lucky winners. And don't get discouraged, because if you didn't win this time, I'm going to be doing plenty more. Or when I get to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 10,000 and so on. But when I get to my 10,000 subscribers, oh, you best believe it's going to be a nice little sweet present. I think I'm going to do one person for the 10,000 because I'm going to be putting a lot into it. But I'm telling you, I might do 2, I don't know. But that's pretty much what I did today, guys. I'm about to go rest my head, lay my head down. My husband's on his way home. I'm about to watch a movie. I've been watching old time movies, you know. If you know anything about cancer, that's my sign. I'm a Cancer. So if you know anything about cancers, like, they like antiques and stuff like that. Like, we like older movies. We like new movies, but we'll watch older movies all day long. That's just how we are. But share what your sign is down the bottom. I want to know what my subscriber's sign is. What is your sign? Okay, guys, so let me get up off of here. I love you guys. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe my channel. Share this video. And tell all your friends and family to check my channel out. I'm cool. I'm that girl. So, yeah. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time, I will see you later. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can see and you can know each and every time that I upload a new video. Most of the time, I upload videos every Monday at 4 p.m. and sometimes on Sunday. I love you guys. Bye-bye.